Welcome to Dalton Engineering, the UK home for quiet, efficient, Vostermans fans to combat heat stress in your cattle. This short video shows you the basics to get you going with the settings of a Danfoss VLT controlled by our touch-screen Dalton Dairy Ventilation Controller. To begin with, we will show you how to change parameters with an example 0-01. Step 1. Press the main menu button. Step 2. Go to 0 Operation Display with the navigation arrow down button. Press OK. Step 3. The next menu is 0-0 * Basic Settings. Press OK. Step 4. Parameter 0-01 is now selected and can be changed by pressing OK once more. Step 5. Now the value can be changed by means of the up and down navigation keys. The up key increases the value. The down key decreases the value. Place the cursor on the value to be saved and press OK. Should the VLT settings be lost or if commissioning a new unit without parameters, then the following must be input. Step 1. Press the main menu button. Step 2. Go to 0-01 Language. Step 3. Make sure language is English. Step 4. Go to 1-03 Torque Characteristics. Step 5. If you are controlling more than one fan, from the VLT change value to 1, variable torque. If you are controlling just one fan, change the value to 3, auto energy optimum VT. Step 6. Go to 1-20 Motor Power. Step 7. You will need to refer to the motor or use the supplied table. Add up the total power consumption of all the fans being used, and as an advisory add 10% to this to compensate for fluctuations. Input this number. In this example we are putting in 7 fans which total 4.41 kilowatts. Step 8. Go to 1-22 Motor Voltage. Step 9. Change this to 400 volt. Step 10. Go to 1-23 Motor Frequency. Step 11. Change this value to 50 Hz. Step 12. Go to 1-24 Motor Current. Step 13. You will need to refer to the motor or use the supplied table. Add up the total current consumption of all the fans being used and as an advisory add 10% to this to compensate for fluctuations. Input this number. In this example we are putting in 7 fans which total 11.55 amps. Step 14. Go to 1-25 Nominal motor speed. Step 15. Set this to the speed of the motor. In this case we are using 425 RPM. Step 16. Go to 1-73 Flying Start. Step 17. Set this to disabled if more than one fan is being controlled from the VLT. If only one fan is being used, then set this to enabled. Step 18. Go to 3 to 41, ramp 1 ramp up time. Step 19. Change the value to 10 seconds. Step 20. Go to 3 to 42, ramp 1, ramp down time. Step 21. Change the value to 10 seconds. Step 22. Go to 4 to 12, motor speed low limit. Step 23. Change this to 0 Hz. Step 24. Go to 4 to 14, motor speed high limit. Step 25. Change this value to 50 Hz. Step 26. Go to 5 to 40, function relays. Step 27. Change this to 160, no alarm. Step 28. Go to 5 to 41, relay 1, on delay. Step 29. Change this value to 3 seconds. Step 30. Go to 5 to 42, relay 1, off delay. Step 31. Change this value to 3 seconds. Step 32. Go to 14 to 10, mains failure. Step 33. Change this to number 3, coasting. Step 34. Go to 14 to 11, mains voltage at mains fault. Step 35. Change to 342. Step 36. Go to 14 to 12, function at mains imbalance. Step 37. Change to 3, derate. Step 38. Go to 14 to 20, reset mode. Step 39. Change to number 5, automatic reset. Step 40. Go to 14 to 60, function at overtemperature. Step 41. Change this to 1, derate. Step 42. Go to 14 to 61, function at inverter overload. Step 43. Change this to 1, derate. You have now put the recommended base settings in for the inverter to work in manual operation. Now we will put the parameters in for the VLT to work on a 0 to 10 volt signal from a climate controller. In this instance we are using the Dalton Dairy Bravo Touch. Step 1. Go to 6-00, live 0 timeout time. Step 2. change this to 5 seconds. Step 3. Go to 6-01, Live Zero Timeout function. Step 4. Go to 6-10, Terminal 53 Low Voltage. Step 5. Change this to 1.5 volt. Step 6. Go to 6-11, Terminal 53 High Voltage. Step 7. Change this to 10 volt. Step 8. Go to 6-14, Terminal 53 Low Ref Feedback Value. Step 9. Change this value to 10 Hz for pole. Step 10. Go to 6-15, Terminal 53 High Ref Feedback Value. Step 11. Change this to 50 Hz. Step 12. Go to 6-16, Terminal 53 Filter Time Constant. Step 13. Change this to 5 seconds.